Today I've got some great tips on trimming your lilac bushes. Don't go anywhere. The common lilac is known for its very appealing scent, which tends to attract hummingbirds, butterflies, and other pollinators. In the northern states, they will typically bloom for 2 weeks in late May. So, let's start with some planting tips. Spring or fall is the best time for planting lilac bushes. They thrive in a neutral to slightly alkaline soil. If your soil is in poor condition, you can add compost to enrich it. Lilacs grow best in full sun, but need at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Bushes should be spaced a minimum of 5 feet apart. Watering tips include: water them fully, but do not keep the soil wet. Overwatering will lead to poor blooms. Make sure to keep the plant well watered through the heat of the summer. And now onto the trimming tips. Pruning is essential for the overall health of the shrub. Removing dead, diseased, and damaged branches promotes flowering and ensures air circulation. Proper air circulation prevents powdery mildew disease, a common problem with lilacs. Pruning is also essential to maintain proper shape and size. 6 to 8 feet is an ideal height, but they will grow up to 20 feet tall if left alone. You can start pruning 2 to 3 years after you plant them. Lilacs should be pruned soon after flowering. Next spring's flower buds are set almost immediately after flowering, so if you wait too long to prune, you'll be sacrificing next year's flowers. Cut off the dead flowers once they're done blooming and remove any seed pods. If lilacs use up their energy making seeds, they won't produce as many flowers next year. Be sure to remove all dead, damaged, or dried out branches. Also, never prune more than 1/3 of your plant per year. Fertilizing is also important. Prior to blooming, they can benefit from being fertilized with a high phosphorus fertilizer and one that has little or no nitrogen. Plants can be fertilized again after the bloom cycle. Keep your grass fertilizer away from the bushes as they tend to be high in nitrogen, which is bad for lilacs. It's also important to watch out for pests. Although usually hardy, lilac bushes are occasionally bothered by insect pests such as borers, scales, leaf miners, and thrips. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will see you next time.